everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Saisa. So, I'm gonna make this fidget toys. I am trying to make it, but it's too hard. So, let's go on the video. So, all we need is some kind of clip that we clip like in our clothes, like outside, like that. And we have to twist. No, not twist it. No, we have to like do that. I don't know how to do this. This is so hard. Ow! That just hurt me. Ow! Now it's stepping on my finger. Ugh. I sound like a witch now. And I talk like a witch. I can hear it. Oh. This is... Oh man, now it's stuck together. Now I have to figure it out to how to get it out. Comment down below. Ah! I mean, not comment down below. I already can figure it out. I got one. So it has to be like this. Just like this. We can choose anything we want, but it has to be this clip. So we have to stick it together in here. You know, there are circle holes in there. So we have to stick it like this is too hard for me. Like this, and this is so hard. I feel like I'm gonna die. Ew. These smells like peel metal. It's like when we can peel the metal. That smells like that. It smells like peel metal. That we can play. I don't know what this is called. I'm just gonna make it because I like to make these. These are second time that I make my own fidgets. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, I did it! Look at it, guys. This. Look, I can't even play. I can even play it right now. This is so fun. Actually, I'm gonna use 10 of these. I'm gonna use 10 of these to make it longer, so that I don't need to not make another one. So that's why for this video, this is so hard, guys. Come on, guys. just stubbed my nail. That hurt. Ow! It hurts a lot. It hurts a lot. Let's follow school. How to do this. This is hard, guys. I can't do it. Finally! So, this is the second. The third one, or the fourth, or the second, or the third. Why say third again? I don't like boys. I like boys, but I like boys. I do like boys. I'm talking English because you don't know how to talk my language. Look at this. It's gonna be longer than this. Yeah, it is. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I have to fix this. I do have to. I have to fix this very quick before it breaks. I don't want to break it because I'm fixing it right now, and I don't want to break my own fidget. I have to start all over again if I break my fidget. And I don't like breaking my fidget because my mom's gonna be angry with my fidgets that I make. Well, not too mad, just a little bit mad. But I don't get mad to her. I kind of like school. Not really. I'm just joking to you. I hate school. I love school. How much I love. Sometimes I don't love it. Oh my god, I don't want to break it. I just almost break it. Come on. Come on, I can do it. Ow! Why do you keep saying ow? Well, I should say another one. Like, not ow, like ouch, or ow, or like, ow, it hurts, like that. How about that? Okay. Like when I hurt myself, I say, ow, it hurts. So I'm gonna say like that. Because I don't I'm seeing another word. That is, ow. That hurts. Ow, that hurts. Like that. Okay, this is getting for a long time, so I don't want to waste my time for the video. This is getting creepy. This is getting creepy as I can. Okay, I need to do this. Oh my god. Big fat banana. Crocodile, what's your favorite color? You big fat banana. Hi. Why don't I say hi to the best? Crocodile, what's crocodile, what's your favorite color? I mean, crocodile, what's your favorite color? You big fat banana, cherry on the top. And I can count to 100. I can't talk right now because I have to concentrate because I don't want to spoil my concentrate. Not straight, concentrate. Concentrate. Concert. Okay, let's start this. I have to right. Ow! Oh my god. Ow, it hurts. 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 Oh my god, I don't even have to put this on. Okay, let's start this all over again. But some of this, I have to use. So what we're gonna do is that. That. And put this hard, but very hard. Oh, there we go. That'll not do this, but I did it. Ah. This is hard. It's like I'm making a snake. Oh, finally I made it. Not now. Not done yet. Okay. Not again. No. Okay, I have to get this out. Cause not again. We have to get this out. Okay. Okay. Not. I'm not done yet. But okay. Huh. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Why say that? Comment down below. Okay. Not coming up. Comment down below Or I say easy peasy lemon squeezy. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. See you later, alligator. See you later, alligator. Hey, yes. Do this. He said that times and Daniel and they're my friend. Ow. Okay. For the last time, I'm not saying that. Okay, I think I'm gonna pause. Come on, I don't want to say ow. Oh my god. For the last time. I'm not saying God. This is stuck forever. I'm just kidding. This ah. Okay, this is crazy. Okay, that. Okay, let me see if there are any. Oh, there. Let me get it. I have to get this out. see if there are any more. Let me see it to that. Like that. Okay, let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, we missed one. Okay, I got one more clip. So, guess. I don't know what to call this fidget.